¿Qué onda, vatos? Hey, hope you're all having a good day out there. Hope you're enjoying the summer weather that we're having. Beautiful weather that we're having out here in California. You guys get out there and ride, and just wanted to say thanks for liking the video, and thank you for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for tuning in yet for another video. So let's talk about the warranty. I get a lot of questions about the warranty. Now, you guys know my background. Worked at a dealer, manufacturer dealership, and from my experience, the warranty is pretty much, you know, clear, cut and clear, or however you say that saying. It's pretty much clear. You alter the performance, you alter the engine in any way other than stock, than factory, than the way it was, you know, shipped out of the factory. If you alter that, your warranty is voided, period. Cut and clear, just like that. Now, let's talk about the stage 1 on a Harley-Davidson. It's a gray area. It's a gray area mainly because it just depends on the tuner. I mean, you could put mufflers on the pipe and you're not altering the engine itself. You're just improving its back pressure. Now, the back pressure, that's what makes the power. Why is it in a gray area? Why is the stage 1 in a gray area? Like I said, it just depends on the tuner. If you use Harley-Davidson, you hurt your performance because you're not getting as much, or you're not unleashing as much performance as you could be with one of the aftermarket tuners, mainly FP3 or Fuel Pack Pro, or Dyno Vision or Power Vision, Dyno Tune, one of those other tuners, Thunderhead, one of those other tuners. They focus mainly on performance, and that's why if you were to tune your bike with one of those tuners, you completely void your warranty. And that's the main reason is because Harley-Davidson, they have their numbers and they have their stress tests. They rate the engine, the M8 or the twin cam, whichever one you're tuning. They rate that. If you have a twin cam, then you know warranty is pretty much non-existent unless you have an extended warranty. But let's keep on going on with the topic of the video. With the M8, yeah, those other tuners, they're focused mainly on performance. Harley-Davidson, Screaming Eagle, their main focus is keeping your warranty intact, keeping the dependability of the M8, of the engine intact, making sure that the engine can actually last 2 years unlimited warranty. And they're also playing by California state rules. Yes, that's right. So if you're using Screaming Eagle, you're limited by California regulations, CARB, California Air Resources Board. Now, the reason why they're doing this is just because, you know, R&D, mainly, you know, research and development, they don't want to be providing customers two different options, confusing customers. You know, it's mainly just getting it certified, getting something approved here in California. Why would you get two different products just to sell one 50 state certified and then sell one that's not 50 state certified? It's pretty much the same deal. And if Harley-Davidson's abiding with EPA and they're already looking at California, and it's actually in their benefit, it's actually in their best interest, Harley-Davidson, to have Screaming Eagle, because California has such strict restrictions that it actually helps them out with keeping the warranty of the engine. Any manufacturer. I mean, we're talking about Mopar, we're talking about TRD, we're talking about Nismo. I mean, these are performance lines offered by the manufacturer that will give you a little bit improvement, maybe 10-20% improvement compared to an actual aftermarket part, which will probably give you 50 to 70% performance, and depending on the parts. And it's just that they're, you know, trying to keep the performance parts 50 state legal. They don't have to certified or go through the process of getting something 50 state certified, and having the research and development R&D going through the trouble of developing 2 different products for Californians and the rest of the United States. It's all the same thing. I mean, it's just money-wise, it benefits the manufacturer. It doesn't confuse the consumers, and the main objective, their main concern is to keep your factory warranty intact. So, and how are they, or how is the manufacturer, even with the performance line, keeping the warranty intact? Well, they're keeping it intact because they're limited to the performance, the rotations per minute mainly. All right, the RPM, that's the wear and tear of the engine. All right, so if you have more juice, if you have a higher performance M8 or whatever engine that you have, if you have a higher performance, it's going to be running at a higher RPM, meaning there's more wear and tear on all the components on the engine. We're talking about pistons, crank, push rods, depending on the style of engine that you have, valves, everything, the cam, everything's rotating at a higher frequency, at a higher rate, and just the wear and tear on those items, it goes a whole lot higher than what it was released from the manufacturer. So this is why when you see the numbers, I mean, if you see Shade Tree Surgeon's video, he talks about how the 131 on his Road King, it's only about 134 horsepower.
I also wanted it to have a warranty. And when you have a warranty, you do make some sacrifices.
And the dealer, the people who are actually dyno tuning the bike, they tell them, you know what, if we put on a different tuner on the bike, you're looking at 150 horsepower. There's still 20 horsepower to be unleashed by just changing the tuner, going aftermarket, But if you see the video, Shade Tree Surgeon, he wants the warranty. It's just, you know what, there's people out there that want to keep their warranty, and they know the bike's still dependable, and there's other riders out there that just want performance. You guys let me know in the comments what rider or which type of rider are you. I mean, are you the performance guy? You want that performance? If you want to put that kind of money, we're talking about thousands of dollars. If you're going to put that kind of money, you want to see it on the throttle. I mean, that's what it boils down to. Or are you the type of rider that just likes that little bit of maybe 10-20% performance, and you have dependability of the engine? You know it's going to last you some time. I guess I kind of fall in the category where I'm okay with getting a little bit of extra performance. I mean, even if it is only a couple extra horsepower. But I mean, the main reason why I did the performance, the stage 1, it wasn't really for the improved performance, the extra crazy horsepower. It's not even nowhere near that. It was just mainly for the sound. I wanted that Harley sound. That's the reason why I did the stage 1. Like I said, I'm not pushing this bike beyond its capabilities or near them. I'm just cruising around, enjoying the ride, enjoying the sound, and that's the main reason why I went ahead and I decided to do a stage 1, was for the sound. And everything that follows with the stage 1, I just went ahead and I did it. And like I said in my other video, I did it in intervals, trying to see if there's a huge performance difference. And I mean, honestly, there isn't. Warranty, dependability, manufacturer, aftermarket, performance, and noticeable difference when it comes to installing those parts. So you guys have any comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking the video. Thank you for subscribing. You guys let me know what type of rider are you? Are you that rider that wants their warranty, kind of like Shade Tree and myself? We want to keep our warranty intact, or are you the type of rider that want to see that performance? You guys know, if you guys are going to spend $4,000 on performance parts, you better see it, because you're not going to see it with Screaming Eagle, and you're not going to see it with the Screaming Eagle tuner. And I mean, it is what it is. So you guys stay out there, stay safe, stay vigilant. Thanks for watching. Later.